Hey there. I'm just here to sort of go through some of the aspects of this assignment that we're working on that is due actually later today. There tends to be a lot of questions around Flipgrid assignments, and so I'm hoping you're seeing the same thing that I'm seeing. So this assignment is called What Do the Numbers Say? And essentially, it is revisiting that tool that we introduced earlier in the unit, the Gapminder tool. That site was actually started with one of the guys who started that was this guy, Hans Rosling. He's a Swedish statistician. And you may have seen his TED Talk, but I've linked it here. I'd like you to watch it again just to get an idea of sort of the way he talks about global health and talks about the social determinants that are important there. And then then you can play around with the site, actually. So here is where you can sort of pick your variables and look at how they're related, all sorts of different things, play around. You can look and see what these different countries are. You can just look at a country. You can look at regions. Like, there's a lot of ways to play around with it. There's a lot of other things down here. And here are some videos of people being like super cute with these. That's not the expectation here, but anyway. And now you're gonna have your data. You're gonna have some things to say about it. You're gonna make your own video, 2 minutes max. So talking about whatever aspect of the data you sort of found the most compelling, and sort of unpacking it a little bit. And that you're gonna do through this tool called Flipgrid, and it should look like this. From your perspective. So you're going to come down here, you're like, okay, here's all this stuff. And then you're going to add a response. And to do that, once you do this, it'll engage with your webcam and you can record. I think you have 2 minute max. Your next assignment is actually going to be coming back and watching other people's and then responding to people's who've watched yours, just to kind of see some of the fun ways that we've used this data. I hope that helps. Please let me know if you can't see something or something appears unclear. Do try and play around with the settings on your computer, though, if you're not seeing this, because obviously it's working for some people. So maybe check out with your IT person if for some reason the Flipgrid's not coming up. We will come up with an alternative for those of you that it doesn't work for, but fingers crossed it will. Okay, bye.